So you've been getting into AI, right? Maybe you've even built a few of your own custom AI agents, and that's a pretty amazing skill to have. But here's the real question, the one everyone's asking. You can build it, but can you actually make money from it? Let's dig into how you can turn that skill into a real, actual income stream.
And this is the exact problem that so many creators run into. I mean, you can build these incredible automated tools, but then what? Where's the storefront? How do you actually connect your amazing creation with the people who need it and, are willing to pay for it?
Well, guess what? That's the exact problem a new platform is setting out to solve. It's designed to be that missing bridge, connecting AI agent creators like you with the users who are looking for what you've built. Let's check it out.
Okay, so the platform is called MuleRun. And honestly, the best way to wrap your head around it is to think of it like an app store. But instead of apps for your phone, it's a marketplace for these single-purpose, super powerful AI agents that do specific tasks. The key takeaway here? It's a direct route to get your creation into the hands of real users.
All right, so you're probably wondering, how does the money actually work? It's a really simple credit-based system. First, users buy credits, then they spend those credits to run your agent. And finally, a chunk of that revenue goes directly to you. It's a super clear, direct path from a user clicking a button to you getting paid.
And to kind of get you started and let you kick the tires, the platform gives every new user 1,000 free credits right off the bat. This means you can jump right in, start exploring, test out different agents, and really see the value for yourself before spending a single penny.
Okay, so that's the theory, right? But what do these agents actually do? I think the best way to really get a feel for the potential here is to see a couple of them in action. We'll look at a pretty simple one first and then a more complex one to show the range.
First up, let's tackle a really common need, getting a professional-looking headshot for something like LinkedIn. Come on, we've all been there, scrolling through our camera roll trying to find that one perfect photo.
And this is where the power of simplicity really shines. You just upload a casual photo. No need to write complicated prompts or have any technical know-how. The agent does all the heavy lifting, and in just a few moments, boom, you have a professional headshot ready to go.
Okay, that was cool, right? Now let's level up and look at a more advanced example. This one's for a task that can literally take hours of manual work, SEO keyword research. So for an agent like this, you give it a little more direction. You start by inputting your main keyword. Let's say, best place to visit in Jaipur. You can even add some extra context, like specifying your target audience is Indian students. Then you just click Run and let the agent do its thing.
And look at this. Instead of you spending hours bouncing between different SEO tools, the agent spits out a complete analysis. It breaks down all the related keywords, figures out the user's search intent, estimates the cost per click, and even tells you how tough the competition is. This is a massive, massive time saver for anyone doing SEO work.
So now you've seen what these agents can do, but let's shift gears a little. Let's talk about moving from being a user to becoming a creator. Because this, right here, is where the real opportunity is for you, earning from your own automated solutions.
And the great news is the path to getting your own agent listed on the marketplace is designed to be really straightforward and accessible. They're not trying to make it complicated.
So here's the 4-step roadmap to becoming a creator. First, you build your agent, maybe using a no-code tool like N8. Next, you apply to the MuleRun Creator Program. Once you get the green light, you list your agent, and from that moment on, you can start earning money as soon as people start using it.
Now, it's worth pointing out that their Genius's Creator Program is still in its early days, and because of that, they're actually limiting the first batch to just 1,000 applicants. This creates a really unique opportunity to get in on the ground floor and be part of that initial community of builders.
And to help guide you, potential creators, the program has highlighted a few key areas where they see the biggest immediate need. They're especially interested in agents that can handle things like autonomous tasks, marketing automation, content generation, and data analysis tools. So, if you've got an idea in one of those buckets, you're already in a great spot.
Okay, so let's zoom out. We've looked at the problem, we've seen the platform, we've walked through some examples, and we've even covered the path to becoming a creator. Let's bring it all together and think about what this really means for you. This quote really gets at a bigger shift in how we work. The key to staying ahead is to constantly be upgrading our skills and our workflows. By embracing automation and tools like these AI agents, even super complex fields like digital marketing become way more efficient and manageable.
And that brings us to the final and maybe the most important question. After seeing all this, I want you to think about your own work. Think about those repetitive, time-sucking parts of your day. What's that one tedious task you would absolutely love to just hand off to an AI agent? Because the answer to that question, well, that might just be your first product on the marketplace.